Okay, well guys, this is my first video ever, and we are going to change the speedometer of a TC Pro, Super Soco TC Pro. It's also exactly the same for the TC Max. First of all, we do have to remove this little buddy that comes under here, and we have two Phillips screws to remove that panel. Once the panel is removed, the speedometer is held by two lug nuts that are these, and I think it's an 8mm. Yep, 10mm, sorry, 10mm. Once those are removed, we can lift out the speedometer, but first we would have to disconnect the cable. So for that, the cable, we do have to remove the side panel that has three screws on that side panel. 1, 2, and 3. That's where the third one goes. Once that side panel is out, we can then remove this little panel that comes up in there with another two screws, 1 and 2. Once those are removed, you must just carefully clip out, well, slide upwards. It does go hooked into there, so we would just, as the hooks are towards the downside, just have to lift it up a bit and retrace it, pull it backwards, and it will come out. So then the cable of the speedometer, that is this one here, slides down into the case. Hopefully we can see it well. Once this panel here is removed, the black one, it is a little easier to access, and it's this white box here in the back. Just have to disconnect that connector and also disconnect this pink cable that goes to the green one. This is the new speedometer connector and the green cable that would go to the pink one. And yep, basically we would just have to slide the new speedometer in, cable slide into the inside, and well, just connect and re-screw everything back together. So well, hopefully this video is helpful for some of you. And well, by the way, the initial problem my speedometer had was that the needle was sometimes, well, bouncing. So at high speeds it would bounce slightly, permanently, and sometimes it would start going totally crazy. So we're running at 40-50 kilometers an hour, and the speedo needle would basically jump from 20 to 80 or to 60 and 50 and back and forth non-stop. So wouldn't really be able to read the real speed. Well, hope the video was helpful, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.